Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Apple sent out its media invites for the WWDC Keynote. They confirmed it's on the 4th, it's at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 10 a.m. Pacific Time, and you'll be able to watch it on their website streamed live. Now this particular invite was a little bit interesting. Now with the WWDC website that went up, you'll see that, we'll wait for it to load here, you'll see that it's animated. And a lot of us thought maybe this means there's a new interface. However, it seems that that might be confirmed with some of the people that were invited that were confirming their invite or RSVPing. And what I mean by that is if we go here, you'll see one of them that was confirmed and it had a switch on it that was in 3D or elevated. Now this could point to AR or augmented reality, and it could point to no redesign at all, but I'm thinking there's going to be an interface redesign just with a little bit more depth. It doesn't mean anything huge. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but the general switches here with notifications are pretty plain and boring at this time, and maybe they're going to give them a little bit more depth. Maybe we'll have a background that has more depth. We do have this parallax effect, and maybe we'll get that with buttons. It's hard to say at this particular time, but that's what it seems like. Now, aside from that, I do think we're going to see some refreshed MacBooks, maybe something else announced, maybe even a Mac Pro hinted at as far as what that will look like. We do know it's coming next year, but maybe we'll see what it looks like at the Worldwide Developer Conference on Monday. Now, of course, iOS 12 most likely will be the big star of the show, and once we have the beta available, I'll let you know, of course, and where you can live stream it and everything like that. But once the beta is available, I'll be doing an overview and showing you what's on that. But also keep in mind that they usually do a product announcement, so whether or not it's MacBooks, maybe an iPhone SE 2, it's hard to say at this particular moment, but we should see that, something like that. Now, as a side note from the products and things at WWDC, you can delete your data now to comply with the European Union and their rules as far as getting rid of all of your data. Just like Facebook and Google now have to comply, so does Apple. So you can wipe out all that data now. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check that out. But let me know what you think about all of these updates in the comments below. And also I'll link this wallpaper in the description below, as I always do. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.